Alright, so this is my first attempt at making what I'm calling a Yodascape. This is for my 3D printed Yoda, and this is kind of the way it looks. I put rocks in, so I have this whiskey barrel that I have basically found in the yard, and I went and found different plants and moss and rocks and things to kind of put it together. So hopefully you can kind of see that.
Hey, Dad.
And let's see, over at the side. So I kind of put moss on the top, and I got sticks to kind of make it feel like more like a environment. I planted ferns. There's some ferns along the fence that I moved, that I planted in there. Tried to put moss around the edges. So for the front of it is going to be over here, and that's kind of inside. This is inside. This is where Yoda will be. We've got a lot of rocks that the kids donated and that we found. Anyway, trying to get a feel for it.